How to connect internet from mobile to laptop with USB cable. Hello everybody. If you'd like to connect your laptop to the internet using your mobile's data, you may follow up these steps. So first of all, go ahead and connect your phone to the laptop with a USB cable. And once you do so, you need to head over to your phone settings. Open it up and then find the option called network and internet or similar options. We have this option called connections. Tap on it and look out for the option called mobile hotspot and tethering. And when you do that, you need to go ahead and turn this option called USB tethering. So find this option on, which is on the third. Just tap on it. And when you do so, you will be sharing the phone's internet connection with your laptop. And then your laptop should be able to access the internet through your phone's connection. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to connect internet from your mobile to laptop with USB cable, you may follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.